Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the quick and simple steps you need to verify your Microworkers account easily and securely. Welcome to our channel today. We're diving into the quick and simple steps you need to verify your Microworkers account easily and securely. Verifying your Microworkers account is an essential step to start earning and ensure that your profile is secure and trusted. First, visit the official Microworkers website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings, where you can find the verification section. The first step often involves submitting a valid form of identification. This could be a government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Make sure the picture or scan of your ID is clear and all details are visible to avoid any delays. After uploading your ID document, you may be asked to verify your email address. Check your registered email inbox for a verification message from Microworkers. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your email address. Next, often Microworkers will require phone verification. Enter your phone number carefully, and you will receive a code via SMS. Enter this code back into the website to complete the phone verification step. It's important to double-check all the information you entered and ensure that it matches the details on your verification documents. If your documents meet the requirements, Microworkers usually processes verifications within 24 to 48 hours. During this time, you should avoid making multiple submissions, as it could delay the process. A fully verified account unlocks more job opportunities and increases your credibility on the platform. Remember to keep your account information up to date and secure. If you run into any problems, Microworkers support is available to help you through the verification process.